Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be making a quick and simple meal that will take under 30 minutes to make, and it's so good. So first, you're going to take some ground beef and put that on the skillet and then season it how you like it. I personally like to use garlic powder and taco seasoning and a lot of other seasonings that I will show you throughout the video. So here I'm just adding more seasoning as I go based off of what I think I need. So here I'm adding some more of the taco seasoning and some more cumin. I also added some Tony seasoning as well. And here I'm just going to be adding a can of rotel to the ground beef that I've browned. And now I'm going to be taking a can of corn and I'm going to drain the juice out before I put that in the pan as well. So now I'm transferring my food to a bigger pot because I'm going to need more room because I'm going to be adding broth and more sauce. And now I'm going to take a can of enchilada sauce and add that to my pot as well. I'm going to take a bag of the macaroni pasta and I'm going to add that to my dish as well. And then I'm going to put in some chicken broth. After you season the dish to your liking, maybe you should taste it, see if you need to add anything. You're going to cover your pot, let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And after I did that, I added some cheese that I didn't get to show you. But this is how it turns out. It's so good. Plate it in my bowl with some sour cream and you're good to go.
got dreams, mama. Sorry to making it to the league. Promise to never quit until you get yourself and leave. Know you tired of work, you need to be on the beach. Live the life you deserve, no more dreaming and hope. And wanna see that in person, finally out in the